This is can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Loud and clear.
Okay. So, what is calcium and what does it do? Siyempre, itong calcium na to it is a mineral that is necessary for life. So, we are taking, yun nga, may mga sa diet natin, no? May mga ini-intake tayo na food, which is sinasabi natin na rich in calcium, pero hindi pa rin yan sapat. Kailangan pa rin natin mag-take ng supplements. Kumbaga, um, yung supplements, yun yung support dun sa gap. And it also forms bones and keeps them healthy. It enables our blood to clot, our muscles to contract, our heart to beat. Then, when we don't get the calcium our body needs, it is taken from our bones. So, ganyan ka-importante yung calcium sa katawan natin. So, what is the risk of too little calcium? So, ano daw yung mga panganib kapag meron kang, yung kumbaga, masyadong kaunti lang ang nakukuha mong calcium. If you don't get enough calcium, you could face health problems related to weak bones. Like, yung mga, yung mga kabataan natin, kapag mahina or walang sapat na calcium, hindi nila maabot yung potential adult height o yung pagtaas nila. Sa atin naman, as adults, it could also, may risk din ito kapag hindi rin natin na-achieve yung level or right amount ng calcium. So it could risk a factor for osteoporosis. And according to a survey conducted by the FNRI DOST, nearly 90% of Filipino households is not meeting the average calcium requirements. So meaning, 10% lang na Filipino ang nakakamit ng average calcium requirements. So on my next slides, makikita natin kung ano ba ang yung requirement ng per
Bill
age
kasi
ito
ang pinaka-source
according
ng
to
calcium.
the Philippine Recommended Energy and Nutrient
Pero yung
Intakes or
may
REN.
vegetarian calcium anatomy.
So in the population or group
Galing
and
sa
RENI of
seaweeds.
calcium effective society.
Oh,
Kapag ka ang
Wait lang,
first
ma'am.
ay 6
Excuse
months,
me po.
200 milligrams ang kailangan natin ng calcium. And for 6 months to 12 months, 400 milligrams. For children 1 to 3 years old is 500 milligrams. And for children 4 to 6 years old, so kailangan ng 550 milligrams na calcium. For children 7 to 9 years old, 700 milligrams. And for 10 to 18 years old, 1,000 milligrams ang kailangan nila. For 19 to 49 years old, 750 milligrams. So, yung sa ako kasi 50 years old to 64 years old, dapat sa female, 800 milligrams na kailangan natin. For males, that is 750 milligrams. Kapag 65 plus, that is 800 milligrams ang requirement according to the Philippine Recommended Energy and Nutrient Intakes or RENI. So calcium and calcium supplements achieving the right balance. Calcium is important for bone health throughout your life. And although yun nga nabanggit ko, yung diet is the most ideal way to get calcium, calcium supplements may be an option if your diet falls short. And even if you eat a healthy, balanced diet, you may find it difficult to get enough calcium. If you are, if you follow a vegan diet or um, have lactose intolerance and limit dairy products. So meaning yung lactose intolerance, ibig sabihin yan, it is a condition in which you have digestive symptoms such as yung bloating ka or the diarrhea and yung may gas. So after you consume foods or drinks that contains lactose. Lactose is sugar no na nakukuha natin sa mga milk products like cheese or ice cream, ganon. And then If you consume large amounts of protein or sodium, which can cause your body to excrete more calcium, and are, are receiving long treatment with corticosteroids. So, ibig sabihin, yung corticosteroids, meaning yan yung may mga yung mga nagtitake ng meds, like pag may rayuma ka or arthritis, pag may asthma ka or allergies, or any or other conditions, yun yung tinatawag natin na mga corticosteroids. So, kailangan din natin magkaroon ng intake ng calcium. And then, have certain bowel or digestive diseases that decrease your ability to absorb calcium, such as an inflammatory bowel disease,
Ilaw.
celiac disease. Ano ba yung celiac disease na tinatawag? Celiac disease is a chronic digestive and immune disorder that damage the small intestine. Okay. Happened to my. Okay. So this is the atomic calcium. In atomic calcium, hindi lang calcium ang meron ito. So it contains also the magnesium. The magnesium, this is required for bone and tooth formation as well. It required for help the normal functioning of many internal enzymes and energy production in the body and to maintain normal blood circulation. And sa calcium, meron din itong vitamin D. Vitamin D required for help intestinal calcium absorption and bone formation. So, lalo na kapag ka nagre-reach na tayo ng 50 pataas, kailangan na natin din ng vitamin D. So, it creates strong bones with a synergistic effect of three nutrients. So, that is the calcium, our atomic calcium. So, what kind of calcium is used? Yung atomy calcium, yung raw material na ginagamit dito is from a type of red algae that grows naturally on the Irish coast. And also, yung content din nito, the seaweed powder is calcified from the natural plant minerals of the Atlantic Ocean, which is said to have a low industrial pollution. And also, the various materials derived from this plant is formulated in a well-balanced state in a ratio of calcium and magnesium. So, the ratio of calcium and magnesium in atomic calcium is 2:1, which is said to be the best combination ratio of calcium and magnesium. So, it is recommended for ito ay dapat i-take those who follow a vegan diet. Those whose diet are said to be irregular and consume large amounts of sodium. So, yung diet natin, also, yung nga nabanggit ko, no, yung may lactose intolerance and have a limited intake of dairy products. So, it is recommended also for those people. And also those receiving long-term treatment with corticosteroids. Yung mga nag-treat ng, tinitake nila yung mga meds that contains steroids like yung mga sa asthma, may mga allergies, yan. And the young professionals who tend to take less calcium. And also yung mga expecting mothers and women who are breastfeeding who need to take in calcium positively kasi nakukuha ng bata yung nutrients na pinapasuso ng mother dun sa baby. And then middle-aged or menopausal women and elderly people whose bones are prone to breakage. So yun yung mga senior na or yung mga middle-aged like 50 nga pataas. So kailangan natin ng calcium kasi medyo humihina yung ating bones. And those who want to take calcium supplement for healthy daily support. By the way, that's the end of my calcium introduction. No? And next would be the Atomy vitamin C. So ito is Atomy vitamin C with 550 milligrams powder. Kasi may dalawang klase ito. Yung isa is, I think, 100 plus lang yata ang milligrams. So this one is 550 milligrams powder. So this color food, plant nutrient in color food is phytochemicals. So chemical compounds that occur naturally in plants to protect themselves from harmful insects and ultraviolet radiation. And pigments, lycopene and anthocyanin for the red hues, chlorophyll for the green hues, and carotene for the yellow hues in plants. And one of the 7 essential nutrients following water, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So dito sa color food vitamin C na to, meron itong 5 representative color foods. According to the dito sa vitamin C na to, the 5 representative color foods are the white, black, green, red, and yellow. So under sa white, ito yung may garlic, onion, and pear. Sa black naman, we have the black bean, dried seaweed, black sesame. And sa green, we have broccoli and mugwort and sesame. Then sa red, strawberry, pomegranate, tomato. Then sa yellow, mango, tangerine, pumpkin, pelinus, licious, and turmeric. So ito, sinasabi dito that we have to eat 5 times a day for better health. 5 a day campaign. So meaning, itong 5 na ito, kung walang vitamin C na atomy, ibig sabihin lahat yan iti-take mo. So parang ang hirap naman yan, di ba? So kaya ginawa ang atomy, vitamin C, is kinonsolidate na lahat yung 5 representative color foods na required sa ating katawan. And then the atomy vitamin C, this is the 550 milligrams powder. Yun nga, yung may 5 types of color food. So we have in yellow, we have the mango, tangerine, and turmeric. And then sa red, strawberry and pomegranate. So itong mga prutas na ito na halo-halo na it contains the isang atomy mango flavor vitamin C lang. So kung tutuusin, kung napakamahal, kung halimbawa man na i-consume mo lahat siyang 5 times of color food or 5 times a day na i-intake mo. So kung i-compare mo, sobrang mahal. Unlike if you are going to buy this atomy vitamin C in one sachet na it contains yung 5 na nabanggit nga kanina. Then the atomy vitamin C. Why is vitamin C essential? Bakit daw ito importante sa atin? So unlike plants and most animals, humans are not able to produce vitamin C. So therefore, vitamin C must be consumed in the form of food. So what are the main source of vitamin C? The main source of vitamin C is the fresh vegetables, fruits, but vitamin C is easily destroyed when cooked. So yan pa lang ang vitamin C natin. Yung mga kinakain natin, mga vegetables and fruits, yun nga may mga vitamins contained siya. Kapag niluto mo ito, is nawawala na yung vitamina niya. So kaya kailangan susuportahan natin ito ng vitamin C ng atomy. And then it is reported that vitamin C we consume from food and supplements are very similar. And vitamin C, it is a water-soluble nutrient. Nutrient is absorbed by the body and any excess is lost through urine. So yung kumbaga natatapon lang yan kapag umiihi tayo. And then vitamin C functions, certified by Food and Drug Administrations. It maintains connective tissue formation function, it helps iron absorption, and protects cells from free radicals. So that's all for tonight. And thank you so much for your time for hearing me the product introduction for the 2 products that I choose. Michelle?
Congrats po, Ma'am Joseph.
Wow,
You?
grabe. 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 Alam mo sa akin, grabe. Alam mo, Ma'am Giselle, ang galing mo. Actually,
Hindi naman.
yung thinking mo, isa yan sa pinaka naintindihan kong pag-i-explain ng calcium. Totoo. Promise.
Thank you naman.
Di ba SRM? Agree ka ba, SRM?
Yes. Alam niyo po
Diba?
kung
So, yan
bakit?
Ano?
Very concise siya, ma'am. And yung
Yes.
facts, yun lang yung state nyo. Pero yung one thing na ano talaga sa akin is yung other than the food that we eat, kailangan talaga natin mag-take ng calcium supplements.
Mm-mm.
Mamaya po magka-calcium na po tayo, Atomians. Bago matulog.
Yes.
Congratulations, Ma'am Joseph.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Tina.
ma'am. Feels Master, ma'am Giselle Arcos. For sure, ma'am, ila-line up na kita for ODS. Kasi ma'am, dito, ma'am, walang place yung ano mo, pag-i-speak mo. Doon sa ODS, ma'am, may product ka.
Clap kay Ma'am Giselle.
Thank you po.
Yes. So, yan. Thank you, ma'am Giselle.
Yes.
Congrats, Ma'am Giselle.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ano, mga members, agree po ba kayo? Maganda yung presentation ni ma'am Giselle.